Okay guys, hi. So welcome to the midnight vlog because we came home from a drive because Miss Prerita slept in the back seat and my mom was like, "Maneg nadi malko." Truth, what is that? Free Fire, Allah, Free Fire, Allah, fire. Hey, what is it called?
It's called Kalpita is dumb.
Yes.
What the fuck, guys? I thought like we're a team here.
Yeah, we are a team.
Yeah. For roasting you.
Did I come back like all the way from the farm to like be with two stupid
You
people
were
who
late.
don't like me?
You were late.
Yeah, and so you're mean.
No.
You ditched us.
I still took you on a drive.
Where I
Just
slept.
forget. That was not my fault. We came home because you slept. Okay, or we would have gone like for like the airport or something. So now we are going to play 3 questions in which each person has to point out to whom the sentence fits best. For example, who is the dumbest person in this room? And like yeah, this is an example, but like this question is overruled now. Please have better questions, guys. Like, who is the most prettiest in this room? Shut up, guys. Point out at someone. I am going to say Chirag to make it like awkward for him.
He's not pretty, he's handsome.
Okay, thank you guys. I'm so pretty. Okay, anyway, second
You
question.
had to point at someone.
Chirag. I pointed out at Chirag. I'm sorry, Prerita. Okay, now Chirag. Chirag, your turn.
Who is acting kiddish in this room?
Like the both of you.
Really?
Okay, cool. I will point out at
Majority
Prerita
is-
because ever since Chirag has come from hostel, he's been the most nice and mature person. And Prerita, who is home and like working and doing everything and graduated, is acting like a kid.
This
I'm
is
always stupid.
It's just a baby.
Yeah, she was like adopted when she was younger because I was home alone. No, I wanted something to
She
play
wanted
with.
she wanted a person to play with and
Yeah, yeah, like toys were like not my kind, so like they got me actual
she used to
human
bully
being.
Does you have a mark here, I think so.
Yeah, like she hit me.
It's a long story.
Anyway, back to our vlog because the time ended and we were still talking. Still, Prerita didn't get a question. So first question, Prerita is going to ask. We are continuing the game of pointing out, like, you know, to the person to whom the sentence fits best. Like the first round, they both told me I was pretty. But anyway, second round, Prerita, first question.
Who's the most irritating person in this room?
Chirag, are you serious, Chirag?
Nothing.
I mean, it's okay. He's scared of me anyway.
No way.
So the second question goes to Chirag. What's your question?
Who is acting weird in this room? Like, not like a person.
Not like a human.
Alien?
Yeah.
Not like
Animal?
a human.
Yeah. For sure.
Fine. Whatever. I will point out at you, Chirag.
For what reason?
What is this? Not like a person, not like an animal. What the fuck was that? Anyway, the third question comes to me. Who's the main character energy of this room?
You can't point at yourself, by the way, Kalpita.
Yeah, then why were both your questions pointing out at me?
I mean, you can't point at yourself. Now you have to choose
This
one.
game ended here because both of them do not play fair.
Because no one's
I'm going
pointing
to my
you.
room to
No, no,
sleep
no, no, no.
and leave them both with these
Because she's
posters.
a giver, giving up.
You dumb fuck, giver is a compliment.
But you never.
I accidentally became a meme.
Yeah, actually, my English accent is really good, but when I'm talking to these two, like,
Like,
kids,
this is so
kids,
fake.
English,
Like, this is so fake.
turns,
You're
like,
shorter than
what
me,
the fuck
okay?
are you
You're
doing?
shorter
Like,
than
alright,
me, no kids,
what the
okay?
fuck, bro?
This is just a chair talking to you.
And we are done for today. Bye.
Prerita just did makeup for this. Like, hair up for this. Hair up, sorry, not makeup, hair.
I'm done with you.
And Chirag is like our natural boy.
And you are so.
I am. You guys just told I'm pretty like 2 minutes ago. Don't lie to the camera
We
and
were
like to me.
forced. We were forced.
I never forced anyone. That was a question.
Behind the camera, guys.
That's so mean. We have been on the camera continuously. There is no behind the
No
camera.
way. No
We-
way. You asked these questions before the camera started.
Shut up.
I'm not pretty. I'm beautiful.
Yeah, so I was gonna end this, but then Chirag had a question. Why? What do you mean why? Do you want to continue this? Isn't this torture? Isn't this lame?
We never
So you're
wanted to
indirectly
continue.
saying you're giving torture to us.
Yes.
Yeah, I accept it.
Because you both are my siblings and you deserve to be tortured. You should learn to go through
Tolerate
shit.
you?
Yeah. Because see, I am half irritating. There are people that are like 2 times or
Like mental like you.
10 times irritating than I am outside. And I have the privilege to like irritate you because I'm the elder one here. I can like bully people.
The shortest one.
Who asked you about height? You could have told this question like who is the shortest one when we were playing a game. Now it was like unnecessary to bring up and you shut up, don't laugh. I did that is not the question. Okay guys. You know what? I should just go to the other floor, to my room and sleep peacefully, leaving these two here with all their posters and all that.
Not mine.
You just told you like the Virat Kohli poster.
I like it, I didn't say it's mine.
Yeah, but like you're gonna sleep here soon. Whatever. Guys,
Was that a joke?
he was like really good like before he went to college. He became very boring and he grew up, so it's like really sad. But yeah, it's good for him because like he became like serious and intelligent. He's not a child anymore.
Like you.
But he was like, when he was born, I was like 10, 11 years old and I felt like this guy is like some toy. Now he's become bigger than me.
And now she is the toy! And now she is the toy! Now she is the toy, the little one.
Shorter one.
So one thing you must teach your children is to like respect your elders.
Who's
Like-
short?
I am 10 years elder than this gentleman right here and 3 years elder than this dumb bitch right here. So, teach your kids some manners to respect their elders. Or they will end up like these.
I was taking notes.
Anyway, guys, you do not vlog with mean people. That's the moral of the story and we end this here.